Welcome to Las Vegas and to Jessica's beautiful home. Jessica was going for a modern farmhouse with a little touch of rustic. As you can see from the before pictures, there was oak cabinets, laminate countertops, a small sink, honeywood floors, pony wall, and a non-functional kitchen and dining space. With Jessica's inspiration, Lincoln and his team transformed this outdated kitchen and living space. Function is a huge and important part of renovating a space. It can look beautiful, but if it doesn't serve its purpose, there can be many regrets and make the day-to-day task much harder. By removing the pony wall, it really opened up the living area. It's very important to look at the flow of the room. She chose these warm, large planks for the flooring. Having it placed throughout the home made the space appear larger. I am also glad that Jessica decided to mix metals in the kitchen. The champagne brass and oil rubbed bronze complements each other beautifully. I am a huge fan for one large sink. An integrated ledge turns the sink to a highly functional kitchen workstation. It saves space on the counter by allowing you to work directly over the sink, whether it's cutting vegetables or drying items. What makes Lincoln's work stand out apart from others is his custom woodwork. He kept the existing cabinets and painted the existing cabinet face frame. All the cabinet doors, island, and extra corner cabinets were all custom made. He also installed new trim and hardware. As you can see, having an island gave the kitchen more storage and extra surface to work on. I love that the island has drawers instead of cabinets for easy storage and organization.
So I have a little surprise for you. As you can see, Jessica is a super fan. I've never met anyone who's a super fan like this, so this is pretty cool. Look at all these things. All the jerseys, helmets. For the guys, don't you wish you lived here? So I have another surprise for you. Our client Jessica is such a fan, like I said. And guess what this is? This is her pickup truck. How cool is that? She's a Charger fan or what, huh?
If you like our video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to be brave, work hard, and most importantly, enjoy your journey.